If you're staring at the Mfc80.dll not found pop-up, don't panic. I'm Windows Support Engineer Sophie Chen, and I'll show you the professional recovery steps. While we explore the technical guide for Mfc80, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This DLL file is a core library for the Microsoft Visual C++ 2005 runtime. It provides foundational classes for creating desktop applications with consistent Windows interfaces, toolbars, and standard UI controls. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Reinstalling Microsoft Visual C++ is the most effective fix. Download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers from Microsoft and run them. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Mfc80 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for the Mfc80.dll, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. The link below references a primary diagnostic resource for reviewing the Mfc80 and system configuration. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for the Mfc80 and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.